Hey babes, it's Tap the Lazy Planner Act, and today we're looking at the Erin Condren Summer Seasonal Surprise Box. I've bought the past few boxes, but this one was sent to me courtesy by Erin Condren for review purposes, so I hope you really enjoy this video. This one, by the way, is sold out. They do sell out really quickly, but if you are interested in getting your own, make sure you're signed up for the Erin Condren Insider newsletter so you can get the emails when the fall one is available. All right, let's jump in.
Before I open the box, I just want to point out, this is just so adorably cute. I mean, look at all of these fun jungle leaves. And once we open up the box, we can see that things are bright inside. And on the top flap, it says, make your own sunshine. And then we get into the actual box. Once we open the saran wrap and the bubble wrap, we get a little card. And I believe on the other side, yep, the other side talks about what's inside. I never like to look at these cards first. I always look at them later. So let's just go ahead and set this aside and start with all of the goodies. First off, we have this wristlet. This is actually going to be going to my sister because she just got an apartment and one of her colors is yellow. And so she thinks this looks really cute in her room. I have Coco right off frame, by the way. We were playing with this little thing that used to be a spring. And so Opal likes them when they're springs, but Coco likes them when they're straightened out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it for them. I bet this is vegan leather here. One size, made in China, designed in the USA, and apparently it is cat approved because, ouch! She just bit me. She just bit me. That is really cute, and it is a pretty good size. We're talking probably like, oh my goodness. They are getting, I hope the sound isn't terrible. It's probably like 5 inches this way and, I don't know, 7 inches this way-ish. Opal, Coco! Oh, we have two boos. I call my cats boos, by the way. Short for Booba. I have no idea how it started. Sorry, little kitty interlude. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Go ahead and throw that for them. And then we have this little thing. It looks like it's a little notebook. I have gone through this, but I actually forget what all these things are because it's been a little while. So yes, this is a little kaleidoscope notebook. This is so cute. This is great for like a purse if you do want a little notebook. It's definitely smaller than the petite planners. This is the size of the petite planner, so you can see the size comparison there. This is the petite planner summer journal. Celebrate and commemorate all your summertime activities with this must-have petite planner. Oh my goodness. Coco's back again. Coco actually does like to play fetch. Look at it. So, here we go. So I make my own sunshine petite planner summer journal. Oh, so cute. Let's just go ahead and look here. So it looks like this is undated. We have a monthly spread here, and we have the goals page like the new life planners do. Except in some ways it's kind of like flopped. So in the life planner, we have our dot grid or our blank page on this side, and then we have our birthdays and our other things to put on this side, whereas on this one, it's flip-flopped. Looks like we have little daily planning pages here. So that's really cute and nice for a petite planner because, I mean, obviously it is smaller. You have less page real estate. So it looks like this is probably like enough dailies for a month is my guess. Then you get into another monthly and then you go into the dailies again. It's like it's 3 months, and at the back we have a little quote and we have a sticker sheet. I love that it's undated, but they actually come with the stickers. So it goes back. Go get it, Coco. And that is the petite planner. These are the most adorable things ever. They're like these little palm tree paper clips. Oh my god. How adorable. How adorable is this? That is so cute. So as you can see, they don't go all the way up to the top. So you either have to have a little bit poking out, which is fine, or you can do it sideways if you like want the whole thing down. Oh my god, that's so incredibly adorable. Plus they're rose gold. Oh, next we have Coco back. And then we have some stickers. So it looks like we have a couple of different packs of stickers. Let's take a look at this one. I think this is just a single sheet, but let's double check. Yep, single sheet, big stickers, kind of keeping with that tropical theme, super fun. And these are kind of your more functional stickers, whereas the other ones are your deco stickers. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, but they are printed a little bit off center, or cut, I should say, a little bit off center. As a sticker designer myself, I do have links to my sticker shop and my monthly sticker subscription in the description box down below. I can tell you that this is a constant worry of mine. I don't know if you know like the technical terms for this. So we have the sticker here, and then this area around it that's printed is called the bleeds. And so you put a bleed on it so that if things don't print quite right, that the sticker still looks okay. And so for something like this, it looks great, and that's fine. And it doesn't really matter that it's cut a little bit off. But for instance, this one, when you have a design in the sticker where it says today, you'll see that it is very off center. While the bleeds are great, you also have to be careful that things don't cut hella crooked. And so that is actually the number one mess up with things not cutting correctly that causes me to have glitch stickers where they cut crooked, and sometimes it's crooked but it's within acceptable boundaries when I'm making my stickers, and sometimes it's not. And I would have to say this is like right on the cusp of not being within acceptable boundaries. I cut all my stickers individually, so for me it's pretty easy to inspect them for quality assurance. This, of course, is made in a factory, and so I understand if things aren't like 100% checked as thoroughly. All of this being said, I don't tend to use a lot of these stickers. I tend to use stickers that I make myself or from Etsy. I don't know why, because these are absolutely gorgeous stickers. I just don't tend to use them. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a rose gold pen. That is so cute. I love it. I wonder how it writes. Let's test it. So it's one of the ones that twists. Yeah, the ball pen. Ballpoint pen. Writes pretty well. So cute. And then lastly, we have interchangeable covers for our planners. I love when they do interchangeable covers as part of these seasonal surprise boxes because they're always so cute, and I believe they're almost always exclusive. Rose gold, total fan. Total basic bitch. So I'm really excited about using these interchangeable covers. So now that we are done looking at all the stuff in here, let's really quickly take a look at the card so we can see what is exclusive and what is not. So we have the clear quote wristlet. So that is exclusive. We have the Summer Journal Petite Planner. That one is a sneak peek. The Asterisk ballpoint pen is coming out, and it is a sneak peek. Shaped palm paper clips, those are coming out on the website as well. The sticker sheets are exclusive. Oh, it says 3 sticker sheets. I only got 2. Maybe I lost one when I was looking at everything in the box. That's probably what happened. Mini Kaleidoscope Colorful Petite Journal exclusive. So that would be, this one's exclusive. The Interchangeable Metallic Quote cover. That one is exclusive as well. And this is what the front of the little card looks like. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this particular unboxing. I had a lot of fun. Again, thank you so much, Erin Condren, for sending this to me. You have been here for a while. You may know that when you stay to the end of the video, you get the little secret phrase that you can put in the comments down below to let me know that you stayed to the end of the video. It's a lot of fun, but it's not like a contest or anything. The little phrase today is going to be chase the sun, because I think that is perfect for the summer. Make sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And if you're interested in planner stickers, make sure to check out my sticker shop and my sticker subscription. All right, babes, thanks for watching. Bye.